Welcome to Taxprolink. Today I'm going to show you the difference between our direct input method and our interview method. Our interview method helps the clients who are hiring new tax preparers every tax season and have to do extensive training with them. This allows the tax preparer to navigate in a certain sequence so they don't miss anything. And if they do, and it also guides them through the process of creating a tax return. It goes over some of the tests that we have to do, especially the dependency residency test, and also helps you qualify the client for EIC and their filing statuses. So we'll take a look today. Again, we're in the software right now. We're going to go to Client Manager, go to the Manage Return section. It's going to bring you right here. Pick the client that you want. We're going to go open this return. And here, this client is already in the system, so I'm just going to show you how to get into how our interview mode looks like first. So we're going to move on. It's just letting us know director interview message board. It's just going to give us an option. Do you want to create this return in direct input or interview input? Direct input is basically for seasoned tax preparers, and what it does is it will allow you to move from forms, the 1040, just like some of the softwares that give you that option of just doing the return as a form. Some of the seasonal tax preparers love this because they have the ability to move in the software as they would like. But in the interview mode, what it does is, and you can choose this setting. Let's say you want to do interview mode every time, and you just click that and never ask that again. It will actually keep that on interview input. Save and continue. Now this is letting us know this is the basic information for this client. Save and continue here. Now you'll see that it's giving you these tabs on top. So this is how we're going to be able to move into the return systematically. So initially, you have to put this information, the primary information, contact information. It's going to look at if they're 1040 eligible or not, and dependents information, exemptions, healthcare coverage, so your 1095A, 1095B, and C, and so on. Then it's going to go into your income mode. So in the income, you have the option for, if you have a W-2, you simply go and click the W-2. If you need to add any more W-2s, you can add a W-2, or if you want to edit, it'll let you edit that W-2. And again, just like a W-2 shows up in paper mode, this will follow the same numbers. So box 1, box 2, and your preparer would copy that just as it is in the form. Once you are done, we're going to go back, save and continue back into the return. Back. And then we could move into, again, the any other income that they might have: interest, investment, retirement. If you have dividends, investment income, Schedule C's, you got your 1099 miscellaneous, self-employed, anything from the income section in the 1040 can be found in this section. Once you're done with the income section, it will simply let you move on to the deductions, taxes, credits. Because this return was already, we have already gone through this tax return, so it is letting us, all these line items are black. It's not going to let you do that on a brand new return. It will only let you move in a very systematic way until you're completely done with the tax return. Once you get to the tax summary, it'll ask you if the return is complete, and once you say the return is complete and ready to file, then you'll be able to go to the state return, and you would be able to, we're saying it's a state of Michigan resident return, and you will be able to complete a state return as well. Now let's show you how the forms mode would work. Edit, and then if you go back into the direct input, and this is how the direct input, your personal information is right there. Additional info, dependent info. So all the dependents you would have in here, you would just add new and keep inputting that information. Page 1040, page 1, your page 2, and so on. And any forms that you have already filed on this tax return are going to be in this column, and all forms. If you're looking for a specific form, you would simply type that form in. So let's say if you're looking for a W-2, you would click that in, and you'll be able to add additional W-2s. Again, this is how our interview and direct input method works. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-746-8901, and we would be able to further show you the capabilities of the software and hopefully get you signed up with Taxprolink for tax season 2017. Let's knock out the competition with Taxprolink, and have a nice day.